Tired of juggling endless windows on a single screen? This VIVO quad monitor mount promises to transform your desk into a productivity powerhouse, but can it actually deliver on that promise? Let's dive in. This isn't just another monitor stand. It's a serious upgrade for anyone who needs serious screen real estate. The VIVO stand V104C is designed to hold 4 monitors, ranging from 13 to 24 inches, with each screen supporting up to a hefty 15.4 pounds. That's a lot of display power for a single desk setup. The build quality feels robust, with alloy steel construction that inspires confidence. What really sets this mount apart is its flexibility. The 3+1 configuration is genius. You get 3 monitors side by side, with a 4th monitor positioned above or below, offering a really versatile layout. The articulation is fantastic. You can tilt your screens from 45 degrees up to 45 degrees down, swivel them 180 degrees, and even rotate them a full 360 degrees. This means finding that perfect ergonomic viewing angle is a breeze, and switching between portrait and landscape modes is effortless. It's perfect for coding, graphic design, or just managing a chaotic digital life. Space saving is a huge benefit here. By getting those monitors off your desk and onto this mount, you reclaim so much valuable surface area. It's a game changer for smaller offices or home workstations. And the mounting options are super convenient. It comes with a heavy-duty C-clamp that's drill-free and can attach to desks up to 3.25 inches thick. Plus, there's an optional grommet mount for desks up to 3 inches thick. The anti-slip padding is a nice touch, protecting your desk surface from scratches. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. The VESA plates detach, making it easy to screw them onto your monitors before attaching them to the arms. All the necessary hardware and clear instructions are included, which is always appreciated. And for that clean, professional look, they've even thrown in cable clips to keep your wires tidy. Overall, the VIVO quad monitor mount is an impressive piece of kit. It's sturdy, highly adjustable, and incredibly functional. If you're looking to seriously boost your productivity and declutter your workspace, this mount is a fantastic investment. It's a solid solution for creating an efficient and comfortable multi-monitor workstation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.